what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am Pradipta and today I am going to talk about affordable makeup products for beginners and how you can use those products to achieve this simple look right here. So to know more about the products, please continue watching this video. But before I get started with the video, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel and also hit on the notification bell once you subscribe so you will get notified whenever there is a new video. So after cleansing my face, I will use a toner from Himalaya. This toner from Himalaya is safe for sensitive skin and it is alcohol free. Now for the moisturizer, today I picked Pond's Lightweight Moisturizer. If you want your foundation to last longer, always use a primer after using moisturizer. There are different primers available in the market for oily skin and dry skin. I will link them down in the description box below. So for the foundation today, I am going to use Lakme 9to5 foundation. It is the Lakme 9to5 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation. It has an applicator like this, a spatula, so be very careful. As you can see, I spilled some of the product. I am going to spread the foundation evenly like this. I am going to use a damp beauty blender like this. It is from Blue Heaven. And I will blend the foundation in dabbing motion. A beauty blender helps to blend your foundation smoothly but also soaks a lot of the product, as you can see. You can also use a foundation brush, but that is costly than a beauty blender, so today I use this one. Now for the concealer, I am going to use Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. It's in the shade 25 medium. I am going to use some under my eyes to cover the darkness. Also around my mouth, because I have little pigmentation there. Also use a little on your eyelids so that it will provide a base for your eyeshadow. Now to set my face, I am going to use Faces Canada Compact Powder. I am using a fluffy powder brush like this, taking little bit of product, tapping off the excess, and gently cover my entire face. The foundation I used is a matte one, so if you have dry skin, you can skip this step. Now next step is using a bronzer or a contour. I am using this palette from Wet n Wild. I will take this brown shade right here. It is very powdery, so always tap off the excess. In this brush, it is also from Wet n Wild. Now I am going to place the color on the hollows of my cheek, like this. And blending it outwards. Also to my jawline. If you have sharp jawline, then you can skip this step. I am also using on the forehead area. If you have small forehead, then you don't need to do this. And this yellow powder is to brighten the under eye area. So I am going to take a small amount on this beauty blender and dab the product under my eyes. This helps to set the under eye area better than a compact powder. Now for the eye makeup, I am going to start with the eyebrows first, and for that I have Miss Clear eyebrow pencil. The best part about this eyebrow pencil is that it is not very pigmented. So अगर आपको डर रहता है कि eyebrow आपके unnatural दिखेंगे, so that won't happen. Once I'm happy with how it looks, I'm going to evenly spread the product using this brush. Now for the eyeshadow, today I am going to use these single eyeshadows from Miss Clear. Taking this coral shade right here in this fluffy eyeshadow brush, always tap off the excess. I am going to place the color on my entire lid. Only till the crease. So this is the crease area. Now I am using this brown shade on the same brush, taking a very small amount. I am just placing it on the outer corner of my eyes. And gently blending it on the crease line. These eyeshadows from Miss Clear are pretty good for beginners. You will just need 2 to 3 matte shades for any eye look. You don't need to invest in an eyeshadow palette. It has 8 to 10 shades and you might get confused with so many colors. Once you know how to blend eyeshadows properly, you can go ahead and invest in a good eyeshadow palette. Now I am going to take a clean fluffy brush like this. It is also eyeshadow brush from Oriflame, and I am blending both the colors to make it look seamless. There should be no visible harsh lines. Now I will use this black shade, taking a very less amount, placing it on the outer corners of my eyes, and now blending it. I am using the same brown and coral shade on my lower lash line as well. Now I am going to use this shimmer palette from Sivana Colors. I am going to use this first shade. I am gently pressing the pigment on my eyelid area. Remember to keep it on your eyelids only, because on the crease there will only be matte eyeshadow. Now that it looks little uneven, I am going to blend it with the same eyeshadow brush. I am only cleaning the crease area. Now for the kajal, I am using Maybelline Colossal Kajal. I have really watery eyes, but this kajal stays for a very long time. I am also going to tight line my upper waterline. For the eyeliner today, I am going to use Lakme Insta Liner. To finish off the eye makeup, we will use mascara, and for that I have these two options from Maybelline. The first one is Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara. This is very good for everyday use. Second one is Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara. It is waterproof, smudge proof and stays for very long time. There is a small tip from me to apply mascara properly. Tilt your head like this. Hold the lashes with the wand and wiggle it in upward direction. This adds nice volume and length to your lashes. For the small lashes on the inner corner, use the tip of the wand. Now for the blush, I have two options, one from Sugar Cosmetics, another from Wet n Wild. Sugar Cosmetics in the shade Pink Pinnacle, and from Wet n Wild in the shade Mellow Wine. Today I will use this Sugar Cosmetics blush. Always blend your blush from the apple of your cheek towards the hairline and also to the bridge of your nose. This way it gives naturally sun-kissed effect. I am using a stippling brush from Pro Arte. Multi-purpose brush you can use for your foundation, also for the blush application. Now for the lipstick, I have two kind of lipstick recommendations for you. If you like cream lipsticks, then Maybelline has the best ones. I like these two shades from Maybelline. This brown one is Nude Nuance and this pink shade is Almond Pink. If you like red lipsticks more, then try this one from Color Bar. It is a bright red shade. For liquid lipsticks, I have two brand recommendations. Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte in the shade 11. Again, very pretty terracotta brown shade. The second one from Sugar Cosmetics. It's in the shade Wine and Shine. It's a bright pink shade. Today for this look, I will be using Maybelline Sensational Matte. And the last step to add extra glow to my cheeks, I will use highlighter. This is from Wet n Wild. It's in the shade Precious Petals. I am using a small eyeshadow brush like this. This one is from Pro Arte. And placing it on the high points of my cheek. Also to my brow bone. And guys, the most important thing is to remove your makeup completely before going to bed. And for that, I have a recommendation. This one is from Garnier Micellar Water. It is oil infused cleansing water. So this helps to melt down your makeup easily. So that's it for the look guys. Please check the description box for all the product details. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a big fat thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Stay happy and safe. I will see you in my next video. Bye.